Okay, this will be first drive with the new EB410.
Alright, 3 minutes of practice left.
I'm going. That ESC fan is really loud. So this ESC is still on blinky mode from on-road, so it has no advanced timing, no reverse, no nothing. I've just basically just set the camber on it, and this will literally be the first drive. First time it's ever been driven. New car, Tekno EB410.
I don't think I got anything with me.
Seems like it's really tail happy. Really tail happy. Yeah, full. Whoa. What was that? Yeah, full. Whoa. What was that? Oh, I put it in strict something. Something went wrong when I went full throttle there.
Does it have ball diffs in it?
No, it's all gear.
Yeah, it's definitely a little closer. So, yeah.
It's almost like my pinion slipped.
Yeah, move it to the inside there. That was standard.
Try it again. Full throttle.
I won't go through again.
And it just died. I went full throttle and it died.
Oh no. It's not a battery, is it?
No, battery's fully charged. I don't know what happened. All right, let's see what's going on. Maybe a wire unsoldered or something. I got no motor. Why do I have no motor? Gonna have to diagnose here. Alright, so I was racing the Schumacher as my backup, but I'm just trying to find out what happened. And on this, I don't see anything shorted out anywhere. So it's either that the ESC itself has died, or just as I was pulling it out, this motor lead popped off. Just gonna turn it on here and we'll see if anything catches on fire. So let's might as well film it if it does. Just gotta be kind of quick about it. This is RC troubleshooting at its finest here. And if I just hold this, make sure I just hold this here on C.
A lot of them just have letters, though.
And now turn it on.
You're looking for one with an S.
Oh, I smell smoke again. I'd say that ESC's fried. I can smell it. I don't want to do it much more than that.
Yeah, I got it.
Even if that is up in the air.
Nice and cool now.
I don't know, that was a good sign. I got motor activity, so that means the ESC is still partially functional.
Yeah, we need to pull throttle on it though.
What's that?
Wait till you pull throttle.
Yeah, I didn't pull throttle, I just a little blip.
Yeah.
And it's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah, it's hot. Alright, so it is the ESC that failed. Just bum luck. It wasn't my doing. So the ESC has fried. We just confirmed it by powering it on. You saw that little power blip. It got really hot, so there's something wrong internally. But one of the racers here had this hobby wing he wasn't using. It's a hobby wing 120 amp V3.1 X run. So I'm gonna use that now. I just bought this for a good price. So yeah, that'll go in and get this fixed up for next week.